How to stop apps starting automatically on Android. Is your Android phone slowing down because apps keep starting on their own? Here's how you can stop auto start. Auto start apps drain battery, slow performance, and clutter your notifications. And the good news, you can control them. So go ahead and open settings and head over into apps. You can also long press the app on your home screen and click on the I button to head over into the app info of that specific app. Then in here, go ahead and select auto start or permissions. Toggle off apps you don't want to launch automatically. Next, you can use battery optimization. So select the app and choose optimize. This prevents background launches. Some Androids can have startup managers, so use it to disable apps from running at boot. By disabling auto start, optimizing battery, and managing startup apps, you'll boost speed and save battery. And that's how you can basically stop auto start apps on Android. Which apps annoy you the most? Comment it down below.